I explained you need botany classes. Botany, I am here. Sabidi Ramesh, Department of Botany, PhD scholar, Usmania University, Hyderabad, Telangana. Now, we are discussing about botany. Given some important botany bits for NEET aspirant. Now, let's start. First question. One of the largest herbarium of world is located in options Q, Geneva, Berlin, Sweden. What is the answer? Answer A. Q. England is right option. Now explanation. Largest herbarium of the world is situated in Royal Botanical Garden. The collections at Kew and Wakehurst Place include over taxa, 28,000 taxa of living plants, 8.3 million plants and fungal herbarium specimens, and 30,000 species in the seed bank. Now, let us go to second question. Plants reproducing by spores, such as mosses and ferns, are grouped under the general terms. What is the right option? Sporophytes, thallophytes, cryptogams, bryophytes. Choose any one. The right option. What is the correct answer? C. Cryptograms is a right answer. Now, going to explanation. Eichler divided plant kingdom into two subkingdoms, Cryptogame and Phanerogame. All plants without flowers and seeds are included in the subkingdom Cryptogame. Various Phanerogame includes plants which bear flowers and seeds. Cryptogams are further classified into three divisions: thallophyte, bryophyte, pteridophyte. Spore-bearing plants such as mosses and ferns belongs to cryptogams because instead of reproducing by flowers and seeds they produce by means of spores. Now, third question. Plants are totally absent in plastids. Plastids are totally absent. Below the answer. What is the answer? Fungi, A. Fungi, B. Blue green algae, BGA, or cyanophysi member, or C. Bacteria, or D. All of this. D. All of this. The fungi, bacteria, blue green algae, these are all also absent, totally absent in plastids. Plastids are double membraned bound cell organelle, characteristic of higher plants. They are not found in prokaryotes like bacteria and blue green algae. Fungi are heterotrophic eukaryotes. They lack plastids. So, plastids are totally absent in fungi, bacteria, blue green algae. Now, go to fourth question. Genetic material of TMV is single stranded DNA, double stranded DNA, single stranded RNA, double stranded RNA. What is the right answer? C. Single stranded RNA. Tobacco mosaic virus is the virus that affects the tobacco plants. The genetic material is a single stranded RNA. Now go to fifth question. Plant viruses generally have which type of DNA or RNA? C. Option is C, single stranded RNA. The great majority have an RNA genome which is usually small and single stranded, but some viruses have double stranded RNA, SSR DNA, and double stranded DNA genomes. This is the right answer. Single stranded RNA is a right answer. Now go to sixth question. Identify mismatch 1 food reserves in algae. Starch Chlorophyta, Laminarian brown algae or Phaeophysi, Paramylon euglenites, and Floridian starch Chrysophyta. What is the mismatch of this answer? Floridian starch present in Rhodophysi members. Floridian explanation. Floridian starch present in Rhodophyta or red algae. Now go to seventh question. Monoecious condition is found in Cycas or Pinus, A. Pinus, B. Cycas, C. Date, D. Markantia. What is the answer? Answer A. Pinus is a monoecious condition for found in Pinus. What is the explanation? Pinus is a monoecious gymnospermic plant. Both male and female cones occurs on the same plant. Markantia bryophytes and Cycas gymnosperm and date palm angiosperm. All are dioecious plants. Male and female plants are separate. Now, eighth question. Which of the following pair is wrong? Plant and parasite. A. Option A. Rafflesia is a total stem parasite. B. Cuscuta total stem parasite. Viscum partial stem parasite. Orobanchi total root parasite. What is the answer? Right answer. Pair is wrong. Wrong answer. What is the wrong? Rafflesia total stem parasite is a wrong answer. Explanation. Some of the parasitic plants are Rafflesia total root parasite, but I given in Sakshi paper this model question. Identify wrong option. That is the answer is Rafflesia is a total stem parasite. Okay, the explanation is some of the parasite plants Rafflesia is a total root parasite, and Cuscuta is a total stem parasite, and Viscum is a partial stem parasite. Loranthus partial stem parasite, and Striga partial root parasite, and Belnophora total root parasite, Orabanki total root parasite. Now let's go. Ninth question. Thorn apple belongs to the which family? Option A Rosaceae, B Solanaceae, C Anonaceae, D Fabaceae. Now, what is the answer? A. Rosaceae is the right answer. Thorn apple, also called gypsum weed and moonflower, is a poisonous plant belonging to the nightshade family. Nightshade. What is the nightshade family? Solanaceae family is known as a nightshade family. Thorn apple is belongs to which family? Solanaceae family. Answer is B option. 10th, juicy hair like structure are observed in the lemon fruit, which is developed from exocarp, endocarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. What is the right answer? Is B endocarp. Endocarp lemon is a spiridium fruit. Multiple chambered, multicarpellary, syncarpus, multilocula, super superior ovary bearing seeds and axial placentation is present in citrus or asperidium fruit. So, what is the right answer? B. Endocarp is right answer. Father of plant anatomy, who also coined the term tissue. Options A. Sliden and Grew and Hanstein and none of the above. What is the right answer? B. Is a Grew. Marcello Malfizzi and Hemay Grew. N. Grew is known as the father of anatomy. K. Chowdhury is known as the father of Indian anatomy. Companion cells. 12th question. Companion cells are closely associated with trichomes. A. Trichomes. B. God cells. C. Vessel elements. D. Sieve elements. So, answer is D. Sieve elements. Companion cells are closely associated with sieve elements. Explanation. A companion cells a type of cell found within the phloem of flowering plants. Each component cell is usually closely associated with the sieve elements, the sieve cells. 13th question. Indian rubber is obtained from the latex of what is the right? A. Hevia brasiliensis. B. Ficus elastica. C. Kariki papaya. D. Papavera somniferum. What is the right answer? Indian rubber is obtained from now I give an explanation. Answer A. Most of the natural rubber, also called Indian rubber, is derived from a natural latex extracted from the para rubber tree, Hevia brasiliensis. That is the right answer is Hevia brasiliensis is a Indian rubber. Tylosis. 14th question. Tylosis are formed in A. Cortex. B. Secondary phloem. D. Trachea elements. C. Pericycle. D. Answer D is the right answer. Telomeres are outgrowth from xylem parenchyma cells that grow into the lumen of Trachary cells through pits. 15th question. Companion cells are A. Sclerenchymatous nature, B. Parenchymatous nature, C. A and B, and none of the above. What is the right answer? B is the right answer. Parenchymatous nature is the right answer. The specialized modified parenchymatous present in the phloem of angiosperms are called companion cells. So that's are called as companion cells. 16th question. Sieve tube. What is a sieve tube? Sieve tube is a vessel-like structure and provide with oblique septa translocation of food. So these are all correct. So option is all of the above. Sieve elements are specialty cells that are important for the function of phloem, which is highly organized tissue that transport organic compounds. 17th question. 17th question is the matching the following. List 1, list 2. Choose the correct one. Chloroplast, list 1 chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, ER, mitochondria and nucleus. Next, list 2 karyolymph and kinetochore and thylakoid, cisternae, cristae. Now, what is the right match? Chloroplast. Chloroplast is the matched one thylakoid, present in thylakoid. Okay. Endosperm reticulum. Endosperm reticulum is correct match. Fourth one, cristae. Cisternae. Yes. Mitochondria. Mitochondria, cristae. It is the right match. Nucleus. Nucleus is a karyolymph. This is the answer is A. During 18th question. During meiosis, the alleles of the parental pair separate or segregate from each other. How many alleles is there then transmitted to a gamete? 4 or 2, 6, 1. D. Answer is D, 1. During in normal diploid population, each homologue of a homologous pair of chromosomes has one allele. When the two homologous chromosomes of a pair separate, alleles separate, and finally only one allele goes to each gamete. That's 19th question. We are going to 19th question. Study of the list. Golgi complex, list 1, list 2, Golgi complex and ribosomes, endosperm reticulum. And list 2, lysosome production, peptide bond formation and secretion of lipids. Peroxisomes and deperoxisomes, and 4, synthesis of phospholipids. What is the right answer? D is the right answer. 4213. Yes. D is the right option. 21. Give me mismatch 1. Trisomic 2n plus 1. Tetrasomic 2n plus 2. C. Monosomic 2n minus 1. D. Nullisomic 2n minus 4. What is the right answer? D. Nullisome is a 2n minus 2. So this is a given mismatch 1 2n minus 4. So that's why D is answer. 21th question. Most abundant protein in the human body is collagen, B. myosin, C. Rubisco, D. Actin. What is the answer? A. Collagen. Polypeptides are indeed the building blocks of your body, and the most abundant protein in your body is collagen. 22 question. Nucleotide consisting of nitrogen base and nitrogen base plus sugar, nitrogen base plus sugar plus phosphate, sugar plus phosphate. What is the right answer? C. Nitrogen base plus sugar plus phosphate. It is a correct match one. Nucleic acid nucleotide consisting of three things: a nitrogen base, which can be either adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and the case of RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. So a 5 carbon sugars called nucleotide. Yes, 23 question. Select the matched one. S phase, DNA replication, zygote synapses, diplotin crossing over, meiosis, both applied and diploid cells, G2 phase, quiescent stage. What is the right answer? A is the right answer. 1 and 2. Matched one. S phase is a DNA replication occurs. Okay, it is the right answer. Two. Zygote synapses occurs. So that's why one or two is correct. A, option A. What is the explanation? A cell cycle comprises in interphase and division phase. The interphase in the longest phase of the cell cycle, it comprises of first growth phase, S phase, and second growth phase. S phase is the synthesis phase in which DNA replication occurs. The meiotic divisions is carried out in two stages, meiosis 1, meiosis 2. The meiosis 1 comprises prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. The prophase 1 is very elaborate stage, comprises of several stages: leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin, and diakinesis. The chromosomes coil at the leptotin stage and homologous chromosomes pairs at the zygotin stage. The pair homologous chromosomes and called as synapses. This is followed by crossing over in the pachytin stage. Yes, 24th question. Which type of nucleic acids present in coronavirus? Single stranded RNA, double stranded RNA, single stranded DNA, double stranded DNA. A, B, C, D. What is the right answer? A. Single stranded RNA. What is the explanation? The cows and coronavirus have become the major pathogens of emerging respiratory disease outbreak. They are a large family of single stranded RNA virus, positive ssRNA that can be isolated in different animal species. This is the my newspaper Sakshi 21st March 2020 paper clip.